So, not too long ago, I started working on this module. Reason being, I hate having to rewrite code and stuff. So, I made this simple library filled with a bunch of modules with functions and classes that I use for just about any project nowadays, including these background thingamabobs I use in my YouTube videos nowadays. It's not complicated at all. I might make a video in future illustrating how it works, but for now, let me just tell you, what I've been up to. Alright, so recently, a few people got me interested in working with 3D, so I thought of trying to do that with the module and stuff. Note, around this time I didn't have much experience with this, but I quickly learned that Pygame is not gonna be feasible for the project and stuff. So I started learning C++, and with the help of C++ and OpenGL, I made this. So I started learning about the 3D rendering pipeline and GPUs and all of that. And I got this book from the web called Learn OpenGL. Alright, so I've been following the tutorials and stuff. I think I just finished chapter 1 and I got this working. Alright, so it uses this thing called the Phong lighting model for like lighting, shininess, specular stuff. Yeah, all of that 3D nonsense. So around the second chapter, we start talking about how to import stuff that you make in Blender to the app and stuff. So I just did that. I haven't gotten the shaders working as of yet, but I will, and then later I might rewrite my Python framework using C++ so that I can make maybe a real game engine one day. But for now, yeah, you might not be hearing from me in a while because midterms are about to start, and I'll be kind of busy nowadays. So yeah, again, if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. If you want to check out my game, here's the website.